Hello, in this video I want to show you 3 useful Google Assistant commands on Google Pixel tab. And let's start with activating our Google Assistant. All you need to do is to say, "Hey Google." Hey Google. It wakes up just like that. And before that, you can check our video on how to enable Google Assistant and Hey Google command. Now, starting with the first command is to count the calories in the food you're about to eat. So let's go with that one. Hey Google, count calories in hamburger.
There are 295 calories in 100 grams of double hamburger.
So as you can see, it just explained all of the calories, and you should increase the volume of your speakers on this tablet to hear the descriptions. Next one is how to find your tablet if you lost it somewhere in the room, and this goes really simple. So you need to ask, where are you? Hey Google, where are you?
I live here with you. I hope that doesn't mean.
And your tablet will make a sound, and that will be easy to identify where you lost it. And the last one will be to translate. So you can basically translate any sentences to any language that is available in Google Translate. And it goes like this. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
And it also gives you the voice translation so that you can easily communicate with people if you're in another country. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.